Sabir, to walk us through the process of counting, by what time will we have a clear picture?
See, from 8 a.m. Onwards, the counting will start now. For the first phase, the postal ballots will be counted, and after that, the EVM vote will be counted, and by 12 p.m., the picture will be clear as to who is going to form the government in the state of Bihar. See, all the political parties have geared up their preparation. There was a meeting that took place yesterday at the residence of Mr. Tejaswi Yadav, where the leaders of the Mahagathbandhan were present at his residence. So all these strategies were formed. In fact, both the alliance, whether it is the NDA or the Mahagathbandhan, are hoping that they are going to form the government. See, Mahagathbandhan has been continuously backing on the MY factor. See, for the Mahagathbandhan, the MY factor is the Muslim and Yadav factor. But this time around, the Mahagathbandhan also have focused on the new MY factor, which has emerge, that is the Mahila and youth factor, which could be seen this time from the state of Bihar, as the large percentage of women voters have come out in large numbers to cast their vote. The youth also has been a huge factor this time around, and that is the reason why, whether it is from the NDA side announcing the Jivika Didi scheme, or from the Mahagathbandhan side, Mr. Tejaswi Yadav announcing that every single woman from the state of Bihar will be getting 30,000 rupees a year. So as far as the Mahila voters are considered, there has been a lot of schemes which has been announced by both the NDA as well as the Mahagathbandhan. Now, if you talk about the extreme backward class or the backward class people, now for them also the Congress party in fact has announced a separate scheme for the extreme backward class and the backward class. In fact, the extreme backward class and the backward class continued to extend their support to Nitish Kumar because of his social engineering, and that could be reflected in different areas that I have visited. But that particular section was also being targeted by the Mahagathbandhan, because the Mahagathbandhan knew the fact that they have the Muslim and Yadav vote with them, but they also need to get vote from the other minority communities like the Malla community, and that is the reason why they have announced Mukesh Kumar Saini as their deputy chief minister candidate, and hoping to get votes from the other Dalit communities as well. So it's a heavily close contested battle, but still the places that I have visited, the constituencies that I have visited and spoken with a large number of women voters, a slight advantage goes with the NDA this time around, and the real reason being the seats were distributed as per the caste system, because several rounds of meeting had taken place both from the NDA side as well as the Mahagathbandhan side. So once the voting begins, it will be interesting to see that who takes the lead from the first phase itself, as all the alliance, whether it is the NDA or the Mahagathbandhan, are closely watching towards the early trends.